Welcome to SWM Ancram. This site has been industrial since 1743. Ancram Factory has evolved from its original inception as a paper mill to become the cornerstone of SWM's reconstituted tobacco wrapper and binder business. On a 12,000 square meter covered area, Ancram utilizes a variety of tobacco and hemp materials to craft premium wrappers and binders that meet the highest industry standards. Ancram's state-of-the-art pilot lab is designed to facilitate the efficient production of high-volume samples essential for product development. With our capabilities, we can manufacture and supply high-quality tobacco products tailored to our customers' specific needs. With 170 years of experience, Ancram Mill is committed to evolving and adapting to future challenges. Our comprehensive expertise positions us as a trusted partner for companies in search of innovative solutions. SWM Ancram.